Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madhushri Chatterjee and welcome to MC Biology classes. So this is the day 3 of our MCQ series and today is Quizoology. So again the questions on zoology. Let us begin with question number 1. Complete the analogy. Primary spermatocyte is diploid, that is 2N. Then what would be the ploidy level of ootyed? Okay. Option A says haploid, that is N. Option B says diploid, that is 2N. Option C says haploid, that is 2N. And option D says diploid, that is N. I think this question is very easy for my NEET aspirant students. So guys, without wasting time, just give the answer in the comment section. Moving on to question number 2. In ECG, heart rate of an individual can be determined by counting. Option A, total number of T waves. Option B, total number of QRS complexes in a given time period. Option C, total number of P waves. And option D, PQ segment. So guys, this might be a bit difficult, but yes, if your understanding, if your concept is good, you will definitely be able to give me the right answer. So yes, write in the comment section. Question number 3. True statement for cellulose molecule. Option A, beta 1,6 linkage unbranched. Option B, beta 1,4 linkage branched. Option C, beta 1,6 linkage branched. And option D, beta 1,4 linkage unbranched. Now, ma'am is obviously waiting for your answer. And along with this question, I would like to ask you one more question related to cellulose. Can you guys tell me where do you find cellulose? Question number 4. In a population of 1000 individuals, 360 belongs to genotype A, 480 to genotype A small a, and remaining 160 to genotype small a. What would be the frequency of the allele A? Option A 0.7, option B 0.5, option C 0.6, option D 0.4. So guys, please write the answer in the comment section. And if you have any difficulty in solving this kind of questions, like you guys can very easily understand that this question is from Hardy-Weinberg principle. So I already have made one video on Hardy-Weinberg principle along with some practice numericals. I'll put the link in the description so that you can click on that link and clear all your doubts related to this particular topic. Question number 5. It is said that ladies are protected from heart attacks in reproductive period, that is from puberty to menopause. Why? Option A, level of HDL is high due to estrogen production. Option B, level of HDL remains lower during this period. Option C, level of HDL and LDL remain in balance. Option D, level of LDL is high due to estrogen production. Guys, please try to solve this question. And if you find any difficulty in solving this particular question, because there is a very important concept that you need to know before solving this question, please write in the comment section. I will try to clarify it to you. Okay. And one more thing I would like to mention, if you are having doubt in any particular topic, or if you want me any particular type of question to be done for you, then please let me know in the comment section, or you may send me an email with all your queries. You will definitely get a reply from me. Thank you so much.